A stunning defeat today for a bill that would have outlawed child marriage in Tennessee. While the bill had bipartisan support, it was the issue of same-sex marriage that brought it down. News Channel 5's Kyle Horan was there and was killed in subcommittee. Kyle, this has to do with the challenge to the Supreme Court's ruling on same-sex marriage?
Yeah, and the fate of this bill was sealed when a lobbying group, Family Action Council of Tennessee, contacted the chairman of that subcommittee. Their issue that could interfere with their lawsuit.
To keep from interfering with this legislation with a outstanding court case, I move that we send this to summer study.
In House Hearing Room 4, the power of politics came to a head this afternoon and then spilled into the hallways of the Cordell Hall building.
See, the problem is you're passing a law related to licensing, which has implications for the answering of that legal question.
This is David Fowler with Family Action Council of Tennessee. He's arguing the issue of child marriage in Tennessee is actually an issue that involves the Supreme Court of our nation. He says that changing Tennessee marriage law would reinforce the Supreme Court's same-sex marriage ruling, something his group is still fighting. Fowler argues that the court says state laws are invalid, which calls into question all marriage licenses. But he says this bill would reinforce that ruling.
It's totally unrelated to your...
No, it's not, because it's a licensing issue. The question is...
It's a child marriage issue.
I know, but if you don't have a valid license, you're not married anyway. That's the whole question. It's not, can you be 18 or 13 or 12 and can parents consent? Do we have a licensed law? And your bill assumes we do have a licensed law, and that's the issue in front of the court, and they said we need to leave that issue alone.
And supporters of this bill were visibly rattled today after they heard what had happened. We have not had a chance to talk with them in detail about it. Reporting in the newsroom, Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.